Good day guys, welcome back to my new video. I want to show you how to bypass FRP on this phone, Infinix Note 40. The phone is locked, it's on FRP lock. So to unlock this phone is very easy. Guys, please follow, like, share and comment. Like this video, share the video. If you can save the video, save it. You will need it. All this new Android phone, this is how to unlock it. It's very easy. If you see this, if you have this kind of problem, FRP lock. Okay, let me show you. Just go back. Yeah, enter this place, share nearby, enter, press next, accept it. Then you will see 3 lines up. That 3 lines up, tap it. You see share article, share it to phonic. Yes, you accept. Then go back, tap that search bar, write FRP bypass. The one I use is FRP bypass 2024. When it opens, you tap the first one, then scroll to where you see settings. Scroll down to where you see settings. Open settings. Yes, this is the settings of the phone. As you can see, this is Infinix Note 40. Okay, let's go. Enter the settings, enter accessibility, enter where you see accessibility menu, then turn it on. Turn the accessibility menu on, then go back, enter apps, application manager, app list. Okay, scroll, enter to that 3 line, press show system. Okay, go to Android setup. For stop it, press OK. Go back, look for Google Play service. Yes, for stop it first, then disable it. And when you have finished disable it, go back. Just go back, then you set it up again. Go back full. Yes, you enter next again, try to set it up again. Okay, just set it up as normal. When it's showing like this, when it's blinking up, you see this place, this way you will tap assist. Keep tapping it, continue tapping on it till the Google Play service appears. You keep pressing it, keep tapping it. Yes, you enter settings, enable the Google Play service. Now you are done. Just wait. Have you seen it? Your FRP has been removed. Okay, just wait. Just set up the phone normal. You see the FRP has been removed. You see? Guys, like this video, share this video, comment. Don't forget to share, like my videos. Okay, set it up. Wow, as you can see, boom, that is all. It's very easy. Like my video, share my video, comment. I like you guys. I'll be posting more videos. See you guys in my next video.